Hey everybody, today we have a Toro recycler lawnmower that is leaking oil, and we do believe it's leaking oil right out of the dipstick tube. So we're going to show you how to change the O-ring that's in this dipstick tube. So first thing as always, when you're working on lawnmowers, we disconnect the spark plug. All right, so now we're going to put you over into the stand and we're going to go over on what we're doing next. So to get the dipstick tube out, you have to remove this cover here. So my assistant, G Jr., is taking the screws out. So let him get the screws out. Oh, and while he's got the cover off, just sliding back, okay, let me show you the part. The new part is right here. There's the new OEM Briggs & Stratton dipstick tube seal, a 692296. Okay, so now that he's got that off, what's the next step?
Remove the gas tank.
All right, go ahead. He's got to remove the gas tank. So the plastic cover was just held on with Phillips screws, correct?
Yep.
All right. All right, what size are those? 8 millimeter?
Yep, 8 millimeter.
8 millimeter, so now he's got to take the gas tank off. They're 8 millimeter.
They're not in here? No, it's in the toolbox.
So how many screws are there that holds the gas tank in?
3.
There's 3. Okay, now he's got the gas tank slid back far enough to
Access the bolt.
the next step. So let me get you in here. And so remove the top cover, remove the gas tank, and the gas tank is still connected by the fuel line right there. So this is as far as we need to move it back. And there's another bolt right here. So now he's going to take that bolt out. Is that 8 millimeter also?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So he's got, it's out. All right. So now that he's got that bolt out, the dipstick should just pull right out. And there is the old O-ring that we're going to be replacing. We're also going to be cleaning this whole assembly. All right, let me take and we'll come back after we get this cleaned up and the new O-ring installed. All right, we got it all wiped down. So he's got the multi-tool with the little tiny screwdriver. He's going to go ahead and be careful getting this O-ring off. There he goes. Now, why don't you go ahead and take the rag again and let's wipe that surface down in there. Let me have the old O-ring. The old O-ring is still pliable. I don't know why it was leaking there, but it was leaking. It could just be a problem with these lawnmowers. So we were gonna go ahead and put some silicone on this, but I don't really have any silicone. So, but maybe we will. Maybe we'll go ahead and put some Form-A-Gasket on it. Let me go get some Form-A-Gasket. We'll put a little bit of Form-A-Gasket on here, even though you're not supposed to, because this was leaking, to try to keep it from leaking. So we found some Form-A-Gasket. That's all I have here at the house. It's a brand new tube, so it should be okay. We're gonna go ahead and just put a little bit on the new O-ring because this was leaking. Okay, turn it around. Let's see. Yeah, let me put a little bit more here. Okay, turn it around some more. That looks good. All right, go ahead and put it back in there. So now he's just going to go ahead and fish it back in there.
It's not going back in.
There it goes. All right, so now he's going to put. Let me see the back bolt. This bolt here that holds the dipstick tube in has a shoulder, so you can only tighten it up so tight. Okay. All right, let's see. Seems pretty tight. All right, go ahead and put the gas tank back on. So that was an 8mm bolt. So now he's got 3 more 8mm bolts to put the gas tank back on, and then he's got a couple screws to put the red piece back on. So after he's done with that, this thing will be all back together, and we're going to go ahead and let the silicone set up overnight, and then we'll go ahead and clean this off a little bit better. He already cleaned it off. It looks pretty good. And we'll see if this will keep this lawnmower from leaking oil out of the dipstick tube. All right, everybody. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that right down here in this corner. And please ring that bell so you always get my new videos when they come out. All right, thanks a lot. I'll catch you later.